guys, welcome back to Jay's Toy Joy, and today I'm going to open up Little Live Pets, but it's not just Little Live Pets. They're brand new Little Live Pets. OMG, I wonder what's inside this bag, and how cute is this? It's got a little bow on the bag. I'm so keeping this bow on it. Okay guys, let's see what's in the bag. Whoa, this is Little Live Pets Flutter Wings Butterfly, and this is called Candy Swirl the Butterfly. I flutter in your hands like a real butterfly. Dazzling bright wings. The more you play, the happier I am. Guys, look at these you can collect. Collect them all. Okay, let's pick our next one. So guys, this is Little Live Pets Light Up Songbirds, and we have got bow beams. Ooh, and this one's a bird. It's got 30 bird calls. The more you pet, the more I see. Guys, it's got light up wings. It can record and repeat every word. Guys, look at these cute birds you can collect. And Rainbow Blow and Sky Twinkles look like they come in their own carriage. Bow beams with wings that sparkle and a bow that glows. This pretty princess is a sweetheart who loves to show off her royal bling. So guys, I've got my songbirds out of our box, and they're just chilling in their nest, looking after their eggs to keep an eye on them. Oh, they're so cute. And guys, the box came with its own instruction manual. So let's look at our birds. So, guys, oh, you really are my bestest friend. So guys, they've got really nice, beautiful wings, and these are the wings that glow up, and their bodies are really furry. And here there's a microphone, and the microphone's what records what you say, so then the bird can repeat it. That there is the button what you would press in to record yourself. And at the back, there's a sensor down its back, and watch. Hey, good looking. So guys, now let's start playing with our bird. Okay, let's do something. Hi guys, welcome back to the Jay's Toy Joy, and this is where all the fun begins. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, let's tell it to say something else. Ooh, let's see what other fun things we have planned today. Guys, look at bow beams and her light up wings, and look at the bow detail on it. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, I love her so much. She's singing a song. Oh, look. At the big finale. Guys, look at Shelly Shimmer and her light up wings feather detail. Aww, she's so cute.
Hey, good looking. I'm your best friend.
You are my best friend.
Who's a pretty bird?
I'm a pretty bird. Now guys, this one's the exact same. Let's try this one out, because this one's super duper cute. I wonder when their baby eggs are going to hatch.
I wonder when that baby egg is going to hatch.
Oh, they're going to be so cute.
Oh, they're going to be so cute.
Okay guys, now let's move on to our butterflies.
Okay guys, now let's move on to our butterflies.
guys, now I'm going to show you what each butterfly comes with. They come with an instruction booklet. And they come with a flower, what they charge on and what they feed on. And they come with suction pads, what on the bottom just clip on through these holes. Pop them in and pull it forward. And then if you stick it down, you can put it on a wall or on a window. And now guys, let's get our butterflies down. Oh, look how cute they look. I bet they're hungry. Let's feed them. It's like a real butterfly. Oh, I think it's feeding time for this one as well. Well, night night. Mwah. Mwah. Guys, make sure you subscribe. Press the notification bell. And give it a big thumbs up. And comment down below. And share with family and friends.